in the tub, big bubbles. Your grandmother will giggle.
And let your daddy clean it up.
He's like, why is everybody staring at me? I'm just taking a bath.
It's okay to splash.
Oh, he does. He likes splashing. He thinks it's fun. Jeez, kid, you're getting the whole kitchen wet. And in it goes. You got it okay?
Huh? Squeeze it deep. Oh. Georgette likes it.
Speak of the devil.
She's here. That my toy.
Say hi, Georgette.
You want to wash?
Yeah, and this stuff is body wash and shampoo stuff, so. Look at you splashing, kid. God. Probably should have just done this in the tub.
It'll dry. It's just water. No soap.
JJ. JJ. Booger butt. Alright. Say Merry Christmas, JJ. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's like, I'm playing with the water, leave me alone. Alright. Bye, everybody. Merry Christmas.